We never found somebody on the stage without they performing anything. So meaning that's why I say I love the word called inspirator. So like Dr. Rao become the inspirator for Dr. Alex because Dr. Rao is telling the truth and what life-changing of him in terms of financial, in terms of mental, spiritual, and the rest of the achievement in the life. That I think because of the true story. We don't add anything that is not never happened. I think this is essential of the reason behind.
How do you know this FFG community?
I want to know more about this community. And he asked me to come again tomorrow to attend the second training. And after this training, I tell him I'm really, really ready to follow you because what we are doing is what I want to do in my life. That's the way I do this community.
Especially that you are also changed to be a more humble, right? That you can work together very well with your direct upline and close together. And I'm sure that humbleness it is one of the big homework for a lot of people. It is really amazing that you got this. Yeah.
Yes, because when you study for a long time, when you get many degrees, your ego also grows. And at the beginning, that's why I challenges also. Ego is very high because I'm a doctor. And people around me look at me as a doctor. But when I came in boot camp and a camp, I see many person who has many degrees than me, but very humble. And I tell myself, Alex, be humble in life if you want to grow. Be humble if you want to grow. And since that time, I was very humble and I learned a lot from everybody, from everything.
Dr. Alex also say, if you want to grow, you must be humble. If I can say, based on this explanation, you know the silent killer for the personal growth. The silent killer for personal growth is arrogant and don't want to listen, don't want to learn, don't want to be humble enough to learn. That is a silent killer. This become a silent killer for anybody in this world, including me. And everybody has this kind of silent killers because of our ego. Also, ego as a man, ego as seniority, ego of the level in the social life, ego of financial, and many things that become a silent killer. This is what I believe.
Yeah, thank you, Pa Onggi. I believe that yes, ego and humbleness, and it's not easy to get a people really a good follower. And
it's true. It's true. I feel even sometimes ego of the country.
Yeah.
You know, some country they think they are higher than other country. So the people in this country don't want come to learn from this country. It is all another part of ego. So actually, the quality of a person is not depends on the country. You live in any country, there's a quality people in that country. Okay, there are also no quality people in that country. So meaning it's not about the country, it's not about the human, it's not about the man or woman, it's not the degree, it's about you find the essence of the people in that area.
Hello everyone, global audience from all over the world. Wherever you are, I want to greet you good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Nice to meet you all here. And we back again in FFG TV channel and Untold Story Show. Me, Melina, as the host tonight from Indonesia. Yeah, as we know, FFG TV channel spread the positive vibes, the positive insight and inspirators. So for you who just arrived in this channel now, you can click the button subscribe and make sure you turn on the ring, okay, the bell. Yeah, so you will always get the updates. Yeah, and also tonight you will get a lot of positive inspirations. For you who haven't clicked the button like, you can click now and you can share it to all your contacts, and later you can also give the comment in the comment button, okay? Yeah, And for tonight's show is the Untold Story Part 22. And I want to introduce all the speakers tonight. Yeah, we have our main speakers. He is a successful worldwide businessman, very young. Let's welcome Mr. Kim Phana from Cambodia. Yay!
Good
Hello.
morning, Melinda. How
Good
are
morning. Fine. How are you too? You
you?
look
I'm very
great.
good, Mel. Thank you.
Yeah, you look great. Okay. Yeah, the next one we also have another speakers come from Cambodia. Yeah, she is also a worldwide businesswoman. Let's welcome Miss Mali. Hello, Miss Mali. How are you?
Morning, Mel.
Morning, morning. Morning.
Morning. I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah,
Mel.
you look great. Yeah. Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
you also look great.
Thank you. Yeah, and now we go to the amazing couple. Yeah, they are couplepreneur, worldwide couplepreneur. Let's welcome Mr. Fatania and Mrs. Sampors. Hello.
Hello, Melinda.
How are you?
Everyone. Yes.
Wow, so great to look you again. Yeah, last but not least from Cambodia, she is a strong woman, a big leader, and please let's welcome Miss Terry from Cambodia. Hello, Miss Terry, how are you?
Hello, Mel. How are you?
Hello, nice to meet you again here.
Always nice to meet you too.
Always, yeah, thank you. Yeah, and now from Cambodia, we go to Indonesia. We also have Indonesian speakers coming now. Yeah, she is an amazing woman, yeah, a worldwide businesswoman, a successful one. Yeah, let's welcome Miss Yuliani. Hello, Miss Yuliani. How are you?
How are you, Mel? Good morning, everyone.
Great. Morning. Morning. Yeah. Last but not least from Indonesia, he is a worldwide inspirator, a founder of FFG community. Let's welcome Mr. Ongki Hianata from Indonesia. Halo, Pak Ongki.
Halo, Mel.
How are you?
Apa kabar? Apa kabar? How are you?
Apa kabar ya? In
Since we are
Indonesia.
Indonesian, apa kabar? Yes.
Yes. How are you, Pak? You look
I'm
great.
fine. And how are you?
Always look young.
Amen.
Yeah, nice to meet you all the speakers here again. Yeah, and now, okay, in Cambodia, there's a word that called for a respected person or an older person called bong. Yeah, so maybe tonight I will use that word. Okay, bong. Yeah, it's like in Indonesia, pak. Yeah, like pak bu, like that. Okay, so for the older person, older people. Yeah, so Bong Phana. Where are you, Bong Phana? Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hello, Bong
I'm here,
Phana.
Mel. I'm here.
Yeah, because you are our main speakers for tonight, right?
Thank you, Mel.
Okay, so Bong Phana, can you share a bit about your background to us? What is your background?
Yeah, thank you, Mel. បាទជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនរួមជាតិខ្មែរទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ Good morning, everybody, all the leader around the world. Yeah, this is Kim Phana from Cambodia. So my background is I self-employed. Yeah, I used to open a logistic company. Yeah, and then I do another business is developer in buying land, selling land. Yeah, and build house and also sell house. Yeah, so I do a lot property like more than 10 years, and then also my logistic company like I think more than 15 years of experience now. Yes.
Wow, I see. Thank you for sharing your background, Bong Phana. Yeah, but the thing that make me so curious, yeah, I wanted to ask you like this: how you can meet and know this all amazing person, and then you can join into the FFG community. Maybe
Yeah,
you can
thank you,
share your
Mel.
experience.
Yeah, I first to know FFG and to know this good community since 2016. Yeah, from Sister Vidaka, I get to know her. That year, and then she introduced me about the product. Yeah, about Avaspin. So she just tell me, and then I didn't hear any call from her for a while, and then I call her back like, hello, Vidaka. So what you want to introduce to me? Like, so she asked me to go the office. Yeah, last time our office is at Kopek. Yeah, at Kopek area. So I just went there and then meet with Sister Mali. And then she introduced me Alpha Spin. Yeah. So at that time, I in my side, in my myself, I want to know what is Alpha Spin. Yeah. I know the effect from the mobile phone, effect from the electronic computer, and then when I hear that Alpha Spin is glass from Germany, so I surprised, and then I like that product from Germany must be a good quality, and then I confirmed by Diamond Force, about 1,500. I mean like about $3,000 at that time. So I bring the product and then bring back home, and then I just use the product at the beginning. So my story very fantastic. So at the beginning, I don't know about FFG much. I just joined FFG like weekly. They call Verticell. Yeah. So FFG asked me to join Verticell, and then learning about the sharing like every week like that. Every Wednesday we have 6:30 in the evening. So I learned from some people that they sharing about their life, about their business, about boot camp. So and then they sharing about the personal growth program. So interesting to learn. Yeah, interesting to learn. So I start to follow FFG step by step. So so this is my beginning, Mel.
Wow. So that is actually that makes you become focused, serious to do this business, right?
Yes.
Yeah, amazing. Maybe you can share also. We want to know actually, is there any untold story that happened during, you say you joined in 2016, right? This community,
yes.
Right? Until now, it's already around 5 to 6 years, yeah, right? Yeah,
Yes,
so
right.
because today, tonight's show is about the untold story, the story that you never told out, to others. So maybe you can open now any story that funny or maybe that very touching, what you get along in FFG community. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Mel. When I joined FFG, first thing I know is about buy and sell product. And then, I thinking about doing business, how to earn money. So I like to learn. Actually, I have a company, so I do some year in my company. Actually, we're talking about how to do business, how to grow, how to make money. But suddenly, in my heart, I want to find some place that I want to learn more. I want to explore more how the successful people they get knowledge from and how they do. So how they learn how to apply to the family, become a happy family, become really successful in life. Yes. So when I joined FFG at the beginning, I only see the picture only like a business, like selling product and then get commission, right? So this one at the beginning, I only see that picture. So I start to sell product to people and then get commission and then also excited. Like one story when I run a mentoring program at the beginning. So I like surprised. I see like a few $1,000 it come into my bank account. So I surprised. Oh wow, it's real money. It come to my bank account. I say, oh, it's real. And then because a lot of people I think not only Cambodia, they think like network marketing is sometimes they say, oh, it's not real. It's cheating, sometimes like that. So at the beginning, I also like do like slowly. I don't focus too much because I also scared like the company cheat me or not. Yeah, but when I use the product is a good product, good quality for me and for my family. So I start to believe, I start to trust all the product and quality. So step by step, I join FFG community. I start to learn step by step. I start to read book. I start to listen CD. I start to join even like weekly with FFG community. So I can feel like, oh, this community is different what I thought. So this community is teach me how I can grow. Yeah, not only business, but I can grow like knowledge, personal growth. I mean, educate me how to read book daily. Yeah, so how to make my life happy. So I learn more with FFG step by step, like every week, every month. And then I hear a lot of sharing from FFG member about the bootcamp. So when I joined 2016 with FFG, I also don't know what is bootcamp, right? So when I hear the sharing about the bootcamp, everybody say excited, say very good, say life-changing bootcamp in Indonesia, Jakarta. So 2017, I like spent 3 days, 2 nights in Jakarta to attend bootcamp. Yes. So after I joined the bootcamp, I feel different. Yeah, I see the big picture. I see the big dream. Yeah, what is a very fantastic FFG. Yeah, so I see a lot of people change life. Yeah, a lot of people they throw out their burden. They throw out something bad root inside. So. Become a new person. Me also the same. After I joined the training, so I slowly changed myself and my life. I also practice this to myself, to my family, and also sharing to the friend. So this impact my life. So totally changed my life. At the beginning, I think this business only like making money, but after I joined like some year, so I can feel that this different, not only business but changing life. So FFG really amazing for me. I can learn along the way. I can do business, and also I learn about how to make my family more happy, and then a lot. I learn a lot. Yeah. Also start to change myself. Yeah.
Wow, amazing your sharing. I hear you share that. So you really pay the price to learn from Cambodia to Indonesia, yeah, to Jakarta to attend the bootcamp, right?
Yes.
And that is really life-changing bootcamp, yeah. So since that moment, actually, you really go deep into this community, right?
Yes.
Wow, amazing. And also, you mentioned about you attend a lot of seminars in FFG, right? The meetings, right? The seminars and everything. Is there any, maybe a moment, very special moment during the meetings that you cannot, you cannot forget for your life?
Yeah, thank you, Mel. I remember some activity, what I do, like a bit strange. Like when I joined FFG, leaders say you want to successful, always follow leader in FFG. But because my background is I'm the owner, I'm the CEO of the company, so I always make decision myself. So when I joined FFG, all my upline is all the lady, yeah. And then, every time I say, why, I need to follow them. Why I need to follow them? Like when I fly to Jakarta the first time, so all my upline, all my team is fly by Malaysia Air. But only me different. I fly Singapore Air.
You choose that purposely, yeah. So
Yeah,
you really don't want the same with the group, right?
Yes, because at the beginning, I mean like ego, because I say Singapore Air is better than Malaysia Air, and then last time in Malaysia Air have some story, right? So I don't want to take Malaysia Air, so I choose to fly alone Singapore Air, and then when I arrived Jakarta, my luggage delay like 4 hours, so it's the same. I need to wait at the airport 4 hours waiting for the dress. Yeah, so the group suddenly arrived after 4 hours.
Oh, but then
Yeah,
there's a lesson. So you got a lesson, yeah, even you just arrived in Jakarta.
Yes.
So amazing. And yeah, it's so funny. Yeah, also an amazing experience. And I know that you also very consistent and commitment to do the personal growth program, right? The 3
Yes.
times 21 program. Yeah, you do it since the first launching until now.
Yes, actually, I like to learn at the beginning. I joined FSC. My purpose is to learn more, to grow more with successful people. So after I joined FSG, I see like all the leader, all the successful, all the millionaire in here. So I can see, wow, it's a worldwide leader. So I want to learn, I want to follow them. So I start to follow, I start to read book, follow the system in FIG. So from the day I start until now, I never stop read book. And then, consistent read book every day. Yeah, man.
Wow. And I heard that even in your marriage day, yeah. Can you
Sure.
share that?
Actually, we have some program in FIG at the beginning. So besides reading book, we also have like knowledge of doing exercise, morning walk every morning. So I start to follow Pak Anggi. Pak Anggi say, okay, I do consistent, no excuse. Yeah. So I follow, I do daily. Even my wedding day at that day. So my wife is, they have a traditional ceremony in the morning, like 5 o'clock in the morning. So myself, I go outside, I walking, I do the morning walk. Yeah, and then after finish the morning walk, and then I join the ceremony together. Yeah.
Wow, that's simple, very simple, but actually deep meaning, right? There's a deep meaning inside that moment, yeah. Yeah. Now I want to invite Mali, Bong Mali, Bong Mali here. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Bong Mali, you as closest leader, closest friends. Okay. What do you think about Kim Fana?
Yeah, Mel. At the beginning, when I met him, and like he say, I am the one do the presentation. So I don't much actually. I just the beginning that he start to join. He just asked, "Is it real? This Alpha Spin from Germany?" I say yes, and then he said, "The business is working is real." I say 1,000. I told him 1,000% real. Then he just said, okay, I joined. Then he signed the check. Yeah, because in Cambodia not much using the check. So he share about his background. He's self-employed business owner. So like you see. So sign the check and just pay at that time. Yeah. So that I can see he is, he has the business mindset, and he don't think any negative. Yeah, he just see the opportunity, and he just asks, "It's real," and then he can take the risk and pay and and start. Yeah, so that I can see. Yeah, from the beginning.
Very simple person. Yeah, very simple person.
Yeah.
Nothing too much.
Yeah,
that's amazing. Yeah, and you as a closest mentor for him, do you have any sometimes because we are so close, maybe we have untold story that cannot be told. Maybe you can tell here.
Yeah, there is untold story. Yeah, between him and me, because at that time, Vidaka, my friend, she also knew. Yeah, they joined like similar the time. Yeah, almost the same. So yeah, I have to have. So I like deal direct with him a lot. So at that time, I also that the story, and I think I never say in the our weddings also. Yeah, we fighting, we fighting. I fighting with him, and I remember I cried 3 times because yeah, I cried 3 times because at that time we was fight on the like he said just now. He the kind of make his own decision. Yeah. So for me, I follow. So everything we reconcile. So I ask every time he asked, I say, yeah, please wait. I confirm, and then he said, why you don't? He just say, it's like he said, why you don't have your own thinking? Why everything you have to ask your upline? Yeah, of course we have to follow, but you also have your own mind, your own thinking. Why you don't think like that? So I cry and I call to all our amazing leader here, or Sister Chanai, also Bong Thierry, to tell the story. Yeah. So and then, but every time, what I really admire him, because every time when we fighting, and then we find the time to forgive each other. Yeah. He also to follow us, and he also say and ask for forgiveness from us. So every time we always set tall. Yeah. So the thing every time all clear, so that I can see that he getting more humble and more humble after he joined FFG. Yeah.
Through the process. Yeah. Through the process, through time. Yeah. So there's a changes in him, right?
Yes.
But yeah, because when I hear his sharing, he is actually very independent. Yeah, he is an independent person like that. While actually to be success in this business, we have to be as a team, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So wow, I think that is untold story for the mentor who guide the person, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Amazing. Thank you, Bong Mali. Yeah.
Yes.
And yeah. Maybe I also heard about he built the team in Korea, yeah, outside Cambodia. Yeah, maybe the couple means Bong Fatania or Bong Pors. Any experience during building in Korea team and everything? Bong Fatania, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, and thank you so much for this opportunity. For me, with Bong
your voice not so clear, yeah. Or Bong Pos, your voice not out.
Okay. You hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. For me, I don't have mic because the close one is Mali, but all the time Mali also consult with the leader, so we know the story like that. Yeah. It's not easy for the man, and he is like you see him, just see the physical one, see the like that. He is the first I can say a very arrogant. Yeah. I can say a very arrogant one. So, yeah, from the beginning, all the time that we talk, we have something to do like that, he not follow at all like that.
Sorry, Sister Pors, can you hold your mic to close to your mouth? Yeah, so we'll clear.
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Clear.
Thank you. Yeah, clear now.
Yeah, thank you, Ma. I repeat again. For Bovana, from the beginning, he is he is background like that, and like he is the owner. He is the like a rich man like that, and then character like that. Not easy to build him like that from the beginning. And all the time we say like like not want to follow. Not want to follow like the one like he talk just now that he go to boot camp, he go by his own like that. And one time that we go to Korea together, he also go by his own like that, not follow us. For us, like all the city leader here, all the time we go to somewhere, we always follow Bongthiri, the top leader, like that. So anything we follow, like that, always follow. And then when him, he is the man in our team, like that. And then he not follow us at all, like that. From the beginning, not obey us. Always have question, always have idea. Oh, how we can do this, how we do this, like that. Always have the idea and have the question, like that. But I can see him that he see the big picture in FFG. He see the big picture at FFG. Even from the beginning not follow, but and then in the end he still follow. Yeah, he still follow because we strict like that. And,
That's the good news. That's the good news, yeah.
Yeah. And one time he is the man, so the man like he is very logic. Yeah, I'm not saying that the woman not logic, but the man like and talk about the emotional, like emotional is off, like that. So like the lady, the woman, the girl sometimes cry, and then after cry and laugh, like that. But the man is not easy to laugh, also not easy to cry, like that. So when we build him in FFG, we talk all like that. In FFG, we talk all many things like that. And one time that I really love, I really love when we go Korea together, and we have the new members. He have the problem with the family, challenge in the family, and then when she joined the event, after that she cry, and then he want to talk to him like that. And he also want to have, but he tell the lady that you stop cry first. If you continue cry like this, I cannot talk. Like that. and then the lady, very big challenge in the family, so she cannot stop crying. When he talk like this, she continue crying, and then he like stop for a while, and then he said that if you continue cry like this, I cannot talk, so you go to Bongthiri will help you. Like that.
So funny, and that one.
Yeah, he he cannot handle when the lady continue crying like that. So pass to Bongthiri, another level. He said that.
So it means he is truly man. Yeah, because most of the men is like that, right? Cool, very cool one like that, right?
Yeah. And but for me, I can see him very like he really have heart. He really have heart to help. But like man and woman is different like that. For the lady, for like we can stay, we can listen, can cry together, can laugh together like that. But for the man, it's like different character. But for him, I can see he really have good heart to help. Just a different angle like that. Yes, Mal.
Okay, yeah, because different between man and woman, yeah, in the beginning especially, yeah, when we don't understand. Yeah, now maybe I can ask from the man side, okay, Bong Fatania from the man side. So what do you think? Because Bong Fana say that I'm a man alone, and then all the upline is woman, like that, right? Nah, so I want to know from the man side, what do you think about Kim Fana?
Yes, thank you, Malina, and thank you, Pak Onggi and all leader here. As you hear his background, he is a businessman, and he has a lot of business in Cambodia, and the people like him. Mostly it's very ego, and for Bong Kim Fana, the same. He likes Thai, so he's very ego. First time I meet him in office, I remember in Kopek Island. He didn't want to talk with me. Even even me, all the people around him and all upline, even direct or indirect upline, he doesn't want to talk.
Okay, we lost here from Bong Fatania suddenly out, maybe from the connection, connection issue. It's okay. So later we continue again with Bong Fatania. And now maybe I back again to Bong Fana. Yeah, so so you know all about you from your closest person, in this community, So if I can see that, okay, you are very cool one in the beginning, very independent and stubborn also, right? Is that no heart like that? So typical before coming into this community, right? But then through FFG, when you join FFG through bootcamp, it changed you, and through all the programs, you join all the programs one by one, and then change yourself, right? You got a big change in your life, right? And I heard also you become a crew in the bootcamp, right? You are there, I wondering why you apply become crew. You are coming from the person very stubborn one and no heart, and then you apply become crew. You we say you invest your time, because in the beginning from your side it's everything about money, right? From business side only, but at the end, you apply as a crew, you invest your time 3 days there. So, I want to know from your side.
Yes, thank you, Mel. When I join FFG, when I do business with FFG, I focus on building passive income, building my business in FFG. So when I join bootcamp, I see the good from the bootcamp. I see a lot of life changing in bootcamp. A lot of people change. From the bad people become a better person, become a good person. So at the beginning, my heart also like a cold heart, like never cry. So I don't have a feeling like I want to cry or sad. I just become like as a leader say I'm ego. Because my background is business owner, CEO of the company. So when I join bootcamp, I see, wow, this very special training, very amazing training. So I see all the crew, very good people and a very good heart. So when I joined at the beginning bootcamp, I said that I want to do a crew as a crew one time. So when I come back, I asked the leader that how can I go help in the bootcamp crew? So then the leader say I become a mentor, become a SM, and then I can go help in the bootcamp. So step by step, I achieve my level, and then I go together with Sister Thierry, Sister Mali to help people there together with all the crew. So I'm very excited and very happy that I can be part of the bootcamp to help some people around the world, not only Cambodia. So I'm very happy, and then I hopefully bootcamp will come back again, and then I also will to continue to become a crew again. Mel.
Wow, so that's a lot of changes that you got since you become a crew in the bootcamp, right? And I also know that you bring along a lot of people, right? A lot of people from Cambodia to bootcamp, right? And I mean, variety kind of person. It's like a drugs person. Also, you bring to bootcamp, right? For them to understand. Wow. So what is your feeling when you bring all those people to bootcamp and then they change, they become a new life person like that? It's so happy for sure.
Actually all the FFG community in Cambodia also try to help to invite some more people, not only my team but the whole team, Cambodia team, like try to help people because as we know that people is always have the problem, their story, their health problem, their family problem, their business problem, or their marriage problem. So even a drug problem in the society. So we can see that this community can help. After training, people can change. Like we used to hear that some people, even they have drug, they take the medicine. Sometimes they also cannot cure 100%. But when we see the people attend the boot camp, so without taking the pill, but participant can be cured. Like when they go back, they no longer using drug, they no longer smoke, they no longer take the alcohol and other bad thing in their life. So I can see that this the big picture is the big change for the people in Cambodia and people everywhere around the world. So boot camp, very amazing boot camp. So I recommend for all the people who want to change their life, who want to change their family, who want to change their friends, just invite them to join a boot camp in FFG. Yes, Mel.
Wow, amazing. So actually we face the same challenge, the same issues. If I can hear from your story that not only in Indonesia, not only in Jakarta, the one that have a broken family, a drugs person, those kind of things, but actually in all over the world. And this is really proven from Cambodia also facing the same issue, the same challenge. And bootcamp actually really can help them, right? So there's kind of like a mission, become your mission to bring people to bootcamp, right?
Yes.
For them to get healed. Wow, amazing. So I can see, I can feel that you are kind of the have a heart person from the person who know heart. Okay. Now I want to ask Bong Terry as a main leader there in Cambodia. Bong Terry.
Yeah, Mel.
Hello.
I'm here.
Bong Terry. So you have this kind of person inside your team. So what do you think from your view?
If you ask my feeling now, it's a great blessing, But if you ask the feeling in the beginning, it's amazing, more amazing.
So you must have an experience, really, really tragic experience that you can see.
Actually, like this, me and him, we used to we was a schoolmate before, I was 10 something in the junior high school. I think junior high school we studied together, and after that 10 plus something he already moved to Phnom Penh. We in the same town, and then when he joined in FFG, I also amazed or surprised because since all the many years, I mean like 3 or 4 years in FFG, I didn't think of him, because in my mind, he has his own business and also he's, like all the upline said, very high ego. And then finally he in our team. And then first time he joined Verticell, then Mali said, our leader here also from Siem Reap, Bong Terry, Bong Vincent, they said, my friend before, so we know each other, so thing is, we hope that thing is a little bit easy, but I remember in the beginning when he was with us, he always, he's a kind of, like you said, independent and also a business owner mindset, so he really business oriented person, he always find the profit, I mean like that. So everywhere he said he attend, he always ask, sister, can I introduce my project? He said the land.
Oh, really?
Can I introduce my project? And then after that, he import something from some country, something related to the dental care. He said, can I share this in the Verticell, because if all the FFG leader do also a good benefit, I can share you like one box, how many dollars, how many dollars.
Very innocent, very innocent.
Yeah, like that. So every week we meet, he bring his own idea. Yeah, every week we meet, he bring his own idea. Until one time, he after he joined boot camp, that time he already mentor. Yeah, before the mentor, he also asked a lot of questions. Why upline didn't help me? Why don't you? Every one of you, we said, every one of you, all the upline, put one diamond for me, put one silver for me. Making my mentoring program complete faster.
Amazing.
And then he also after boot camp and net camp, I remember one thing. Just my boss said, push to me. He always come to me. Not like that. There's several times that I cannot handle. I bring him up to my leader Chi Ming, and then to Chi to Miss Yulani. I remember one time after the net camp. Usually people who join NetCamp, we have one gift from NetCamp is a ticket, and then he keep asking, I sell this ticket to my downline. I explain him, no, you cannot sell to your own downline. You have to bring new prospect, So this kind of thing, he cannot take it. One upline told him he don't stop. The other upline told him he don't stop. He said, why? This one belong to him. Whatever he want to do, up to him. Yeah. So come to me. I explain. Finally, he cannot take it. So I said, go up. Chi Ming, please come in.
Amazing, yeah.
Really amazing. Yeah. So and then there is one time, because in the beginning he really not 100% tell us everything, but I remember just now when he said he volunteer, he see something in boot camp, and then he become the crew. There is one time that we had a chance to try our leader, our grand mentor here, Miss Yolani, back to the airport, and then there is a chance that we talk really deep. Yeah, so that time he told us that after he joined boot camp, after he became the crew, then he really want to have a happy family. This is the untold one. He was from the broken family, from the broken family, from his parent until him. Yeah, he used to divorce before no FFG. So when in FFG, that time he was a widow. Yeah, so when he talk about that, I mean, like in us, me is like, we feel something from his tone, we feel something from his feeling. Yeah. So cut the story short, from that time, for me, in the beginning, we don't, when he talked to us, we don't feel that he, like Paul said, without emotion at all. He's only focused on the business, on the profit, Yeah, but this time is different. Really different the way he talks. So since then, and also along the process, when we talk about, because for me, I received God in FFG, and also we talk about God to him. So he really fine, he really fine. So cut the story short, he received God in FFG. So since he received God in FFG, I can say that the way he built the team is faster, and then the team grow very big after that. And then he is very sharp, the way he talk, because he has the business mindset. So the way he build the team is also, short and clear. Whoever under his team, feels something is stuck in somewhere, whatever challenge, he just said, find God first. Yeah, find God first. Yeah, very sharp like that. Yeah, so
powerful words. Yeah, that's a powerful words.
Yeah, so I see a very big change, and then from then he start to, the way he communicate, the way he build the team is with love. That's what the very big difference for me. I can see from a businessman that is previously looking only for the profit, but now he changed. He start to use his heart to build a business. Then after that, along the process, big gift from God is he married in FFG. He married with FFG in FFG. Okay, he know his wife. I think maybe this process you can ask him directly. Is also amazing. Thank you to FFG. He married a beautiful wife, and we have a time to consult about the family. This one also, our leader here, Miss Yolani, is the one that really involved in this thing. For me, I just tell him that, Vanna, this is what you want, okay? So from now on, shut all the door, no more thinking about, cannot keep the marriage or whatever, So cut the story short, he really obey and follow and consult whatever thing, family is always going on process, talking about husband and wife, but he really follow and consult all the time. Yes, especially with Miss Yolandi. Yeah.
Wow, this is so deep. The experience that experienced by Kim Fana is really so deep, yeah. So now we continue to Miss Yuliani because just like Bong Terry said, Miss Yuliani, Ci Yuliani, Ciacu, we call it Ciacu, yeah, is the one that really going deep into this is not talking about the business anymore, right? Yeah. So Ciacu, are you here? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
You can, adding anything regarding about this?
Yes, of course, Mel. First of all, Fana, bro, I love you, okay? And then the first beginning, I love you, bro. The first beginning, love you, Tin, love you, Angelica, okay? And your two of your children. What I can say, the hope is always from the beginning that you got. Before I continue this one, I just want to share to you how this is wonderful one FFG, because I just count it. Fana actually is from Paonggi going deep. It's very deep, It's around about 11 or 12 level going down.
Wow.
Yeah, and then, mean that is you can see how that is deep now. So mean that I can just also mention here the one that really important, because we just only have 1 hour, so it's really only some of us here. But actually we represent also all the upline, of course, Tiploren, Komateas, okay? And then also Chimeng, okay? Chimeng now in Solomon. And then there is Annette, okay, in Cambodia, and also Fidaka, the one that introduced Kim Fana, okay? So that is one part, okay, for me. But is for Fana is really changed. And then is both of them actually husband and wife. And then is all the things is I know some of my experience in that building that the team in FFG. It means it's something actually a burden. We can ask Paonggi later on about this, okay? The burden that is a block. And then so during in our life, block, Especially also she has also the experience about his family before, and then with the 2 kids. So yes, what Terry said like that, we are in the Puan car, in the car, and then Fana, when I was in Cambodia, he always also is always driving me, and then that time we talk, and then he shared the story about him, and then it's really that his dream actually, you can ask Fana regarding this, his dream actually is building the family. And then that one cannot change with all kind of money in the world. Even that you have all the money in the world, you don't have a really happiness in the family. I think that is Angelica Bond cannot represent all the happiness and then all the money in the world. I mean that is for him, he can really get it and see the future of this in this FFG. That is a really important one, and then that makes him also alive, really alive. And then he see that the whole, and then also he know all the things regarding this now. Is a bit about it for me. Yep, Mel.
Wow, so amazing experience, Ci.
Actually, it's a lot of things, Mel. A lot of things happen when he is in the crew boot camp. He also breaks some, Really very logic one and very silent, cool. It's like not cool, it's like a cold blood.
Cold blood person, right.
That's why the 3 lady above, actually it's not 3 lady, okay? I think that we can say that 5 or what. It's really very cool one. I remember also, but the upline, I think it's like Fatanea and Chimeng and Paonggi. Chimeng also is actually not kind of Fana, Fatanea is also cry a lot also. I think if Fatanea also a little bit can share because it's I don't know we still have a time or not because we have Paonggi. Go ahead, Mel.
Yeah. Before we go to Paonggi, this bro Fatanea back a bit. You want to continue, bro? Bong Fatanea, are you here? You just want to continue your talk? Okay.
Yes, Mel.
Okay.
I think keep your tongue to Pak Ong Gi, Mel.
Okay. Yeah, this is the man upline. The difference between man and woman. Okay, now we have limited time now, and we go to Pak Ong Ki. Pak Ong Ki, so this is so amazing actually. We can see, we can we tell that through the process in boot camp really make the one person really change. And if we talk this, I can tell the conclusion that about the family. Yeah, the family is actually the foundation like that. What do you think, Pak Ong Ki?
No, Pak, sorry, Pak. Mel, before Pak Ong Ki, because Ong Ki is very important one. Why don't we ask Anna first, how he find the wife? And then how is he feeling? So maybe
Bang Fana.
Yeah, thank you,
A
Chi.
person.
Actually, my wife is my prospect. I mean, I sell napkin to her at the beginning. So when she don't like me. I'm the guy who's selling the napkin in the one group. So I sell all the napkin to all the ladies. So actually, she don't like me. Yeah. So after she used the product, and then the product is amazing, is good for her, and then she start to know this community, and then start doing business, and then we start a relationship, and then we start married. Yeah, Chi.
So you not only get a business, not only get a money, not only life changing, you also get a wife.
Yes,
it's
correct.
one package, one package. Yeah. So for all the youngsters who listen this show, okay, you can find your soulmate through here. Okay, so amazing. Thank you, Bang Fana. Yeah. Now we back to Pak Ong Ki. Yeah, Mr. Ong Ki, I want to know from your side, about this thing, the one that regarding actually, if I listening that when the time Bang Fana really open, so really make a deep relationship between himself and all the uplines, all the mentors like that, and also regarding the issue, because his issue is about the family, come from the broken family like that, but FFG can change him like that. So Pak Ong Ki, any insight, any insight from your thinking about Fana, Pak Ong Ki? All the process?
Yes. Yeah, it's a fantastic process from Kim. Okay, Kim, you look younger and younger.
Thank you, Pa.
You look 10 years younger before, because when you become the first time you become crew, it look like a very old. Now it's very young. Okay, Kim's story is very amazing. One of the good showcase also for us in FFG. Come from the background of the business owner, CEO and owner of the property owner and other business. And as we know, most of the people in this society, like our last week event, we also talking when Dr. Last week, who is the speaker? Dr. Alex. Right?
Dr. Alex.
When Dr. Alex say when people achieve a certain level of education, they have the kind of called ego. Okay, the same thing in business. Sometimes people in the certain level, like CEO, the owner of a business. I don't say everyone. I don't say everyone like this, but most of them, they have this kind of attitude, like underestimate other people. If we listen carefully from very beginning, actually even Kim don't want to talk to other uplands. Only go to one Terry, Bong Terry. This is the kind of look down people. This is normal. This is human. But I believe from the process in bootcamp and the process in other FFG process, including reading books and so on, and open his mind, and like like all the uplands say he is arrogant and what called the very logic
hard.
person.
Yeah. Very logic.
Very logic person, and now can very emotional person. Using
King
the
of
heart
crying,
more.
yeah. Now become
Yeah,
king of crying.
now he can cry. Before he cannot. now more using the heart. So this is the essence of a human. You know, sometimes people earn everything, earn the good income, good what you call education, good position in the society, but they lost one thing is about the heart. And when you lost your heart, you lost your family.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
So deep.
True. Because you cannot use the logic to build a family.
Agree, Pak.
And this is a lot of successful people, they using the logic to build the family. This is cause a lot of problem in this society. And the good news is Kim found out that he must use the heart. That is why when the consultation with Chia Chu, he is using the heart to consult. And the good news, not only that, he also now believe God, and that is the main. I believe there's a main changing of him spiritually. Yeah.
A main achievement, ya, Pak, ya. So really high achievement. Yeah.
I think achievement in spiritual and mental is the highest achievement. Then finance, then the position. This is what I believe. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you, Pak Ongki, for
You're
the
welcome.
words. Your thoughts, your insights, like usual, is always in a deep, very deep one side. Yeah. Thank you, Pak Ongki. So
You're welcome.
it's really amazing. Yeah. So back to Bong Fana. Wow. Your journey is really one inspirational journey. Yeah, even though we only have 1 hour, we cannot tell all the stories, the process in 5 to 6 years, right? But we can see that who you are before and who you are now is really a lot of changes, and you really got a lot aside from money. Yeah, you really find the true meaning in this life, and also about your family. Yeah. So any words from you, Bong Fana, for the global audience?
Yeah, thank you, Melina, for the last word for me. That this FFG not only doing business, so all the people who need to change himself, think about the bad, everything bad can change here. So when I start in FFG, so I slowly can change. So not only about the business, but I can change myself. I can change about my character. I change about my attitude, and especially I can learn about the spiritual here in this community. So for this, totally my life can change. Right? Everybody can see me have a big change. So I recommend some young people who want to be a better life. Who want to be a better husband, want to be a better wife. I recommend FFG to them, so they can join with us, start to learn, and we grow together. So make our community, make our country more peace, more beautiful, and make the world more happy and peace together. Happy together. Thank you, Mel.
Wow, a lovely message from you. Yeah. So it's so amazing. Before go to the video, so this is our meeting end here because of the time limitation. But don't worry, you still can listen and watch this video, and you still can give comment and like, and also you can share to all your friends and family to get the positive insight from here. Yeah, and we listen the video first. Yeah, you have the video, Bang Fana? Yeah, we see first the video.
Yes, Mel.
Wow. You can see how a lovely video, yeah, always laugh. And also one more thing you can see, now he is not only in the as an independent person, now is a one team, yeah. Okay, maybe I back to Bang Fana a while. Yeah, maybe you have some word for your mentors who already so patient with you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I thank you. Take this opportunity. Thank you all my upline. Yeah, my direct upline, Sister Vidaka. Yeah, thank you. Who bring me to this good community. Who can make me change a lot in here and grow. Yeah, and then thank you to Sister Mali, who always direct mentor with me, make me grow and grow. Yeah. And thank you, Sister Sampor, Brother Watania. Thank you, Sister Sinad. Thank you, Sister Watai. Yeah, thank you, Sister Thierry and Brother Vincent. Yeah, and thank you, Leader Jiming in Singapore. Thank you, Cik Yolani, Cik Florence, Pak Mati, and especially thank you, Pak Onggi. Yeah. So very amazing. I'm changing life here in FFG, and then I keep continue to learn and to grow with this community and can help people, in my country and people other country. Thank you, Mel. Thank you.
Wow, it's like a Grammy Award, so long. This is really a big family, one big family. Thank you, Bong Fana. I really goosebump when you say this. I can feel your sincerity from inside of you. So this is really precious reward. Okay, so all global audience, we already at the end of the show. I want to invite all the speakers back. Together we give the sign love to all the global audience here. We spread love to the world. Yay! Okay, so amazing.
Love you.
See you. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Thank you all the guest speakers. See you again in the next show. Bye bye.
Thank you, all the leaders. Bye. Bye.